Hi folks, this is Mary with Guaranty RV. Thanks for watching this video. I'd like to show you this Coachmen Catalina. It is a 2021 version, so come on and let's look inside. This charming trailer by Catalina has lots to offer. The bunks are extra large and you can easily sleep 2 kids on each bunk. You do have storage in the bathroom and a skylight. There is a really large U-shaped dinette which will seat all your guests that you're bringing along, as well as a couch that is right across from the fireplace and entertainment center. The kitchen has more than ample storage. There's a huge pantry, lots of counter space, a microwave, oven, and stovetop. The queen size bed has storage on both sides along with a private door to the outside. You also have a full-size storage closet in the master bedroom. The unit has a very special outdoor kitchen. There are 2 entrances and there's a huge awning that opens up and will provide shelter for your guests. There is a storage rack in the back, so that way you can bring along extra bikes or extra firewood, whatever you like. This Catalina is also equipped with an upgraded sound system that has indoor and outdoor speakers. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Mary. Please call me 406-850-4590 and I would love to help you.